for the video, once again, you are free to use any software that suits you. I'm only going to share with you how to start with it, okay? And I really prefer to be updated with AI intelligence. So to be clear, whenever you want to create anything that is related to education, especially when it comes to video or instructional video, there must be a scenario behind this video, right? For example, you are guys from Tessel, right? Can anyone give me any idea for your group about a video that you want to create? For example, the topic of the video that you want to create for your students. Anyone can share with me? Okay, common and proper nouns, is it? For example, let's go with this topic. So first, what I want you to do is go to Chat GPT, and then you can write an order. For example, I want to create an instructional video about 10 minutes, for example. A video topic should be and then we place the so what I need from ChatGPT is to write a detailed scenario of the video. Okay, and then we enter. Now I'm using ChatGPT 4.0, but you can use 3.5 as well. It's the same results. You see here, that's response number 1 and that's response number 2. Started with the title of the video, understanding common and proper nouns, duration 10 minutes, and then the target audience, student in, for example, grade 3 to 5. And it will start breaking the scenario for you from 0 to 1 minute, 1 minute to 3 minutes, and so on. So you can see here what you can insert from 0 to 1 minute. For example, the visuals here, it's advised to be animated opening with a classroom setting. Okay. And then the voiceover, it will gives you what even to say when it comes to voiceover. Welcome to today's lesson, blah, blah, blah. Now you have the choice to use your own voice. You can record yourself, or you can use artificial intelligence also to record for you. For example, if you go to 11 Labs website, this one will convert the text to audio clips. Okay, so you can simply copy the voiceover and then paste here, and then you choose the voiceover character. And then from settings as well, you can change the stability and similarity of the audio, the tone, and so on. And then you click generate speech. Okay, I'm using it for quite a long, so I need to update my account. Or I can use a different account. So if it asks you to register or update your account, you can use different accounts. Okay, so once again, we just paste and then click generate. Oh, just a second, guys. I'm trying to create a new account. Apparently, I've been using the website for quite long because there is a limit, and I have used it to record for around 10 minutes. So that's why. Okay, now let me refresh and sign in again. Have any of you tried to use this website before?
No, doctor.
Not yet, doctor.
Anyone tried to sign up just now? Oh my God. I think there's a problem with the website. We can try to use it later. Can anyone please try to sign in or sign up for the website and share with me if it works? Anyone using a laptop? Anyone? Who would like to
Doctor.
volunteer? Yes.
Wait a minute.
Okay.
Hello, doctor. Can you see my screen? Hello,
Sorry?
doctor. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, let me play.
All right.
Huh. That's it.
I cannot hear
You
the
cannot hear
sound.
it. Hmm.
Hmm.
Wait. Let me share one more time.
Okay.
Hello, I'm Nas, fourth year TESOL.
Okay, I can hear it now.
All right.
Hello, I'm
But I think I have solved the problem. Nas, thank you. Can you please stop sharing for a moment? Okay. Okay.
Welcome to today's lesson on common and proper nouns. By the end of this video, you'll be able to identify and use both types of nouns with confidence.
All right, guys, let's go back again. Now, we have, as I mentioned here, the Chat GPT. We have everything that we need to include in our video, right? Starting with the visuals and the voiceover, and you can ask for whatever that you need. For example, sound effects, background musics, right? So it's all there. You need to just give order to ChatGPT to give you whatever you want. Now this is the first voiceover. You just simply copy, all right, and go to 11 Lab or whatever website that you can use to generate speech. Oh my God.
Welcome to today's lesson on common and proper nouns. By the end of this video, you'll be able to...
You see, this voice is more than like a new voice, news voice. So you can change to something.
Welcome to today's lesson on common and proper nouns.
Now Emily is so sleepy.
Welcome to today's lesson on common and proper nouns. By the end of this video, you'll be able to identify and use both types of nouns with confidence.
Okay, let's go with this one. Then we just simply download. Okay, then we go. I'm going to give you an example. And then we go to the next one. All right, the definition and explanation. We copy this.
Common nouns: dog, city, car.
Download. And then for the third one,
Proper nouns: rover, Toha, Toyota.
okay, let's go for one more. Now this one is quite long.
Nouns are words that name people, places, things, or ideas. There are two main types of nouns: common nouns and proper nouns. Common nouns are general names for a person, place, or thing. They are not capitalized unless they begin a sentence. Proper nouns are specific names for a person, place, or thing, and are always capitalized.
Okay, I think that's enough for the audio voiceover. Now let's go back and read about the visuals that we need to add in the clip. Here is animated opening with a classroom setting, playful background music. Right? Now there is another website we can use. This website is called Visuals. You can go to free video Pixels website. It's called Pixels website. Okay. You can write whatever description of the video that you need. Also, you can get that from Chat GPT as well. So animated opening with a classroom setting. Just copy that and try. And then we search. Let's go with classroom settings, and that's it. If you try to play, you can download this 4K video for free. Okay, so that's it. That is the video clip we can get. But we need a female teacher because the voiceover is a female teacher. So let's just type with a female teacher. You guys can hear me well? Is my voice clear?
Yes, okay. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. You see, now we have more video clips. Let's try this one. And it takes a bit to download because it's 4K video. This one is not gonna work because it's displaying a car. Let's see this one. Right, let's download it. And then let's see the same teacher. Yeah, this one's the same teacher. You can find similar videos for the same character, and then you can go from there. You can always change the description of the video to get the best results. Okay, now we have two main elements of the video, which is video and audio, right? Now comes the software. Once again, it's up to you to use any software. In my case, I'm using Adobe Premiere. You can use Final Cut or whatever software that you prefer. But I want you to stick with the idea about the scenario, voiceover, video clips, and so on. So I'm going to go with a new project. Okay, when you click new project, you can first rename the project first. Okay. And then from downloads, you can insert the video that we have downloaded plus the audio clips. Okay, just simply select and then create. All right. Now in Adobe Premiere, anybody used Adobe Premiere before? No one? Okay, so the main interface of Adobe Premiere, which is the standard, and by the way, Adobe Premiere is very common in making movies. You know the movie Avatar? Adobe Premiere was used as a film editing software in movie Avatar. So it's very professional, very advanced software. And you can get it for free if you are a student, if you have a UTM email. You can simply go to what we call it, ICIT, UTM Digital, I guess. You can get your own version, all right? So we have four main, let's say, screens in Adobe Premiere interface, right? This one is the main show. It shows you what's going on in your framework, right? And then this one is the library here, where you can insert your material. You can insert using the traditional way where we selected the material before we entered, or you can simply double click here to open a window and then insert the material from wherever you saved this material. And then we have the most important part, which is this one. We call it, in my case, we call it framework or timeline. It's up to you to use any definition. Okay, so we can simply go by selecting any of these video. You can double click to make sure this one is just to play the source of the video, to make sure, okay, this is the clip that I want. All right, and then you can simply click and drag to the timeline. Okay, that's number one, let's say, and then the second one as well. Now we have two main sections of the timeline. The upper one here is for video, and the one that is down or below is for audio clips. All right. Now let's go on and drag audio clips. You can select all of them one by one, but you need to make sure that you are following the script. So let's play one by one and know which one is the first one.
Welcome to today's lesson on common and proper
Okay, so this is the first one, and then
common nouns, dog,
double click.
city, car. Proper nouns, by the are proper nouns, rover, Doha, Toyota. Nouns are words that name people, places, things, or ideas.
Okay, so we can select all of them since they are already arranged, and then we just click and drag also to the audio timeline. And from here you can zoom in and zoom out so you can edit your video. Right? Now let's just play.
Nouns are words that name people, places, things, or ideas. There are two main types of nouns, common nouns and proper nouns. Common nouns are general names for a person.
Okay. I need to duplicate this video because the introduction is quite long. So in this case, what I'm gonna do is just copy, and then at the end of the video, I'm gonna paste it again. And
Common nouns are general names for
but you see this cut.
nouns are general names for a person.
In this case, I need to reverse the video. So the right click, okay, and then from speed duration, you can get to edit the video settings. Okay, let's say you want to slow down the video or you want to speed it up, you can change the amount here. If you want to speed the video, you can increase the amount. If you want to slow the video down, you can decrease the amount, or you can reverse. See this? Reverse, and then okay. If you play it now, it will start from the scene that has ended, so there will be no cut.
Nouns are general names for a person, place, or thing. They are not capitalized unless they begin a sentence. Proper nouns are specific names for a person, place, or thing.
All right.
And are always capitalized.
I need 2 seconds more. So in this case, I will go again, right click, speed duration. I will slow the video down a little bit. So I will, let's say, make the speed 90 instead of 100.
General names for a person, place, or thing. They are not capitalized unless they begin a sentence. Proper nouns are specific names for a person, place, or thing and are always capitalized. Proper nouns
Okay. Now we are done with the introduction part. Let's see if this video works for the voiceover we have.
and are always capitalized. Proper nouns: rover, Doha, Toyota. Common nouns: dog, city, car. Welcome to today's lesson.
Oh, this one's duplicated.
Proper nouns: rover, Doha.
Maybe in this case, because we are describing some words, we don't need a video.
Capitalized.
Text.
Proper noun.
Okay, so we use a text here, starting from the second clip.
Proper noun.
Let's go back to Chat GPT and copy. You guys are following?
Yes,
You
Doctor.
guys, okay. So what I have done is I created a text layer, just like the video layer, you can see.
Capitalized. Proper nouns: rover, Doha.
Oh, this. Create another one.
Capitalized. Capitalized. Proper nouns: proper nouns: rover, Doha, Toyota. Common nouns:
Or we can make multiple text. All right. So for example, the first word is rover. Right.
proper proper nouns: rover,
Whenever she
Doha, rover,
but you can see the speed of the audio is quite
rover, Doha, Toyota.
what I need to do is to break down this audio into 3 different audio clips. All right. So let's go a bit and, for example, first zoom in here.
Proper nouns: rope,
I will cut using this tool. It's called razor tool, to cut this audio clips into 3 different audio clips so that I can match the text and the audio, right? So I click here and then cut the audio
rover,
and then cut again when she ends talking about this word. All right, and then I will move the other clip around so that I can match the audio and the text. See?
Nouns. Rover.
And then we go to the next word. Again, we use the cut tool to cut and then move.
Doha.
And then we'll go to text. Okay. And then we
Doha.
we do the same for the third
Toyota.
word, right? At the beginning. Then we match the duration of the text and the audio as well. Let's zoom out and see the results.
Capitalized. Proper nouns. Rover. Doha. Toyota.
Okay, clear, guys? Are you following?
Yes, doctor.
Okay. Now let's see the second clip.
Common nouns. Dog. City. Car.
Let's do the same for common nouns.
Common nouns.
So what I need to do is break down the audio clip. That's one, that's two, and that's three. And then from move tool, I will move these words aside.
Dog.
So you can simply play with the audio and video as well. Right? The
Dog.
word is dog. So I go to text, click, and dog.
Dog. City.
Then the second one. And then I match the duration of the video.
Dog. City. Car. Car.
All right. Now let's see the results.
Proper nouns. Rover. Doha. Toyota. Common nouns. Dog. City. Car.
Okay.
Ears. There are two main types of nouns.
So this is the final audio clip.
Car. Nouns are words that name people, places, things, or ideas.
So she goes back to explaining. So let's go back to the website and see if we can see a proper video of it. Maybe this one. I believe it's this one. No, it's not that one. Yeah, this one.
Common nouns, dog, city, car. Nouns are words that name people, places, things, or ideas. There are two main types of nouns, common nouns and proper nouns. Common nouns are general names for a person, place, or thing. They are not capitalized unless they begin a sentence.
We can use the same method that we have used, which is to duplicate the video and then we reverse to avoid any cut, speed duration, and then reverse. Okay. Then we can end the video at the end of the voiceover. Now let's play all the video again.
Nouns are words that name people, places, things, or ideas. There are two main types of nouns, common nouns and proper nouns. Common nouns are general names for a person, place, or thing. They are not capitalized unless they begin a sentence. Proper nouns are specific names for a person, place, or thing, and are always capitalized.
There is a layer here that I need to delete.
Are specific names for a person, place, or thing, and are always capitalized. Proper nouns, rover, Doha, Toyota. Common nouns, dog, city, car. Nouns are words that name people, places, things, or ideas. There are two main types of nouns, common nouns and proper nouns. Common nouns are general names for a person, place, or thing. They are not capitalized unless they begin a sentence. Proper nouns are specific names for a person, place, or thing, and are always capitalized.
Okay, guys. Now this is the idea that I want you to follow in creating the video. To consider these three or two main categories. One is the video or the content of the video, the visuals, and the other one is the voiceover. And you can always refer to Chat GPT, which is a great help to give you a detailed scenario for whatever material that you need to put in your video. Now, when we meet face to face also, we will have more practice about these videos. All right, guys? Is everything clear? Do you have any questions? Any questions? Okay. So, once again, when we meet next week, we will have a presentation with a group 2, 3, and 4. I will share the slides in a minute. And then if we still have time, we can practice more about creating the video. All right. That's all for today. Thank you very much, guys. And once again, I'm sorry for my voice. I'm still recovering. Hopefully next week will be fine. So see you all, guys, next week. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Thank you,
Yeah,
Doctor. Get well soon.
Waalaikumsalam.
Thank you, Doctor. See you next week.
Thank you, guys. See you. Bye bye.